Hello friend, in this video I will discuss two most important theorems of advanced calculus, and the first one is Rolle's theorem and second is mean value theorem. The statement of both the theorems is almost same, excepting the last point. That means if a function fx is continuous on a closed interval ab, okay, if we have a number line ab like this, okay, including these points, if we include these 2 points, then there will be closed integral. That means all the values of between a and b, including a and b also. An open interval is what? Excluding a and b, all the points between a and b. So this can be represented by a small interval ab. So for any function fx, fx is continuous on closed interval including these 2 points and differentiable on the open interval, that means excluding these 2 points. And if we have fa equal to fb, that means value of f at point a and value of f at point b is same, then there exists a point c between them. Then there exists another point c between a and b. This is there exists sign ab such that f dash c at point c, the differentiation of given function is 0. So this is the statement of Rolle's theorem, okay, Rolle's theorem, which is written. And the statement of mean value theorem is same. That means a given function of x is continuous on closed interval ab and differentiable on the open interval ab. Then there exists a point excluding these points, then there exists for mean MVT, okay. Then there exists c between ab such that the value of fb minus fa equal to b minus a f dash c. If you want to calculate the value of f dash c, we can simply divide b minus a this whole term. That means fb minus fb upon b minus. So f dash c is not 0 in case of MVT, but in case of Rolle's theorem, f dash c equal to 0. So this is the statement of Rolle's and mean value theorem in advanced calculus. Thank you.